Outside Cheshire Police Station, Auditor William's presence alone unsettles a sergeant who quickly makes it clear she wants him moved on, despite him standing in a publicly accessible area. Instead of giving a lawful reason, she cycles through vague explanations that never quite hold up. She continues pushing, as if authority alone should be enough. The longer it goes on, the more it highlights just how out of her depth she is, determined to enforce something she can't even explain, exposing a level of cluelessness that only becomes more obvious the more she speaks.
What are you filming the police cars for?
Because I can. It's in a public place, obviously.
Well, that's not, is it?
Yeah, but from a public place you can record anywhere that isn't.
For what reason, though?
Because you can.
Hi. So, William, what would you intend to do with that footage?
Personal use.
For what?
Just personal use.
Like what, though?
Have I committed an offence? Am I being detained?
Right, William.
Am I being detained?
Hang on, I'm talking to you.
Am I being detained?
No. Can you answer my question?
Can you answer mine? Am I being detained?
No. Can you answer my question?
Am I being detained?
Right, okay. What
Can
I'd
you
like
answer my question?
do...
Am I being detained?
No, you're not
I'm
being
not being detained, so I'm free to go.
You can go wherever you like.
Okay.
What we don't want you to do is film the police station.
Well, it's from a public place, so...
No, it's not.
It is.
Station is a public place.
Yeah, but this is a public place. This public easement. Would you like me to show you a letter from Chief Constable Andrew Trotter, ex-police Chief Constable Andrew Trotter, who says that it's perfectly fine for public photography?
I think you want to be arrested, so...
What are you going to arrest me for?
You nicely.
What are you going to arrest
Right.
me for? Can you please
I'm
not...
trying
2
to speak
metres,
to
please.
you.
The moment this starts, you can feel the tension. A simple act, filming from a public place, immediately triggers a strong reaction from the sergeant. Instead of calmly assessing the situation, she jumps straight into control mode. Her tone is sharp, defensive, and authoritative. Viewers instantly sense something isn't right. This isn't about law. It's about control, and that sets the stage for everything that follows.
And I'd like you to put your phone in another direction other than the police station, because that's not a public place.
Yeah, but you can record a private place from a
continue,
public
William,
place.
I will have no choice, okay, than to take further action.
And what further action would that be?
You've been advised previously.
Can you please advise me what further action that is?
You've been advised previously
I'm asking
not
you.
to record the police station.
Sergeant, I'm asking
okay.
you, what further action would you take?
Right, that depends on what you do. I'm
Filming
advising you
filming
now.
from a public place.
Don't talk over me, William. I'm
Filming
advising
from a
you
public
now,
place.
okay, giving you the opportunity to move your phone, otherwise I will look at seizing your phone, because we don't know what you're doing.
You can't seize my
There
phone.
has been a
Seize
high-
my phone under what?
William, are you aware of the risk of terrorism at the moment, how high it is?
This is not for terrorist
Do
use,
you
and the onus is
understand
on
why
you.
we may have concerns?
So do you have concerns in Section 58 of the Terrorism Act? Is that what you're citing?
Do you understand the
Is it
risk?
Section
I'm
58?
not quoting legislation. I don't need to quote
Yes, you
legislation
do.
because I know it, William.
Okay.
But what I'm asking you is, do you understand our concerns? Because if you do, then you would walk away with your phone.
You may have concerns, but that
William,
doesn't warrant
you can
reasonable
quote
suspicion.
Pace and legislation to me till it's coming out of your ears.
As William calmly stands his ground, the sergeant's argument begins to fall apart. The claim that filming the police station isn't allowed quickly collapses under basic logic. Instead of explaining the law, she escalates, hinting at arrest and even threatening to seize his phone. But there's one problem. No clear legal basis. The tension rises as authority is asserted without foundation.
However, that is not a public place and you will not film it.
You can film it from a public
no,
place.
you will not be filming the
You
police
can film
station.
anything from a public
No,
place.
no, that's where you're incorrect.
That
Not a
is
police
not.
station,
Yes,
it's
you
not
can.
a public place.
Is it protected
If you're
by the Crown?
purposely stood here
Is it
to
protected
record
property
that
by the
police
Crown? Does it
station,
have bylaws
then we
that
have
say that you don't
serious
have to
issues.
film it?
William,
Do you have?
what's more concerning
Does it
is
have?
to me
Do you
is
have
why
bylaws
do
which
you
say that
want
it's
to-
protected
why
by the
would
Crown
anybody
and
want
that you
to
can't film
the
it?
police station?
Do you have bylaws
William,
which say?
why would anybody want to film a police station?
Because it's
for their own
it's from a public
interest.
place.
Yeah,
It's a
why
nice
would you want
building.
to?
Architecture's very nice, and it's
William,
paid by
that's
people
not,
who pay their
that's not amusing,
taxes.
and you're not impressing me at all.
People
Do you
pay their
understand
taxes and buy
how
this
busy
building.
the police are? Do you understand?
Oh, you must
Do
be
you
very busy
understand how
during this
busy the
current
police
climate.
are?
Yeah.
And you are distracting us from our duties.
I'm distracting you. You came out to me. I didn't ask for you to come out.
because you're recording the police station.
And that's
We
not a
don't
criminal
know,
offence.
We don't know what you're recording.
Okay, I'm doing it for
so
a-
you carry on
I'm
quoting
doing it for a
legislation,
public
but I'd
business.
like you to walk away with your phone. You can
No.
record all around here, that's absolutely fine.
It's
but do
information
not
that's for public
record-
interest.
Do you not listen to people?
It's information for public interest.
William, you're being rude.
I might be
being
being
very
rude,
rude.
but that's not a criminal offence.
Now the pressure builds. William asks simple, direct questions. What law? What bylaws? What grounds? But instead of answers, he's met with deflection and interruption. The more he presses, the more exposed the situation becomes. One side is relying on facts, the other on authority alone. And that gap is what keeps viewers locked in, watching the argument slowly unravel.
So why would you turn and point your phone at a police station? Why
Because
would
I can
you
see
do
it from a
that?
public place, and I was actually watching the cars go in.
William, you've been walking around the police station.
Yeah, I've been walking around, looking at the architecture, looking at all the different officers, coming in,
All
doing
the
the duties.
plain vehicles in the back, you've been doing that.
Yeah. All the different
For what
vehicles
reason?
paid by the
There's only one
taxpayer.
reason that people do that, and
What's
that's to
that?
commit a crime.
That's to commit a crime.
Yeah.
Are you inferring something?
Well, that's the only reason why people would do that, isn't it? So
No.
what we're asking you is just to go.
I'm not looking to commit a crime, and you have no reasonable evidence to say that I'm going to be committing a crime.
Well, to film a police station and to film a car with a private
Common law
around
doesn't
the
state
other
that
side,
that is
doesn't
reasonable
matter, you can
suspicion.
state whatever law you want at me.
Common law
isn't
isn't
something that you do.
legislation. No,
It's
well.
our plain vehicles around the side.
Yeah.
So what we've asked you to do is
I didn't
go
actually
now.
know they were plain vehicles. I thought they were officers'
Oh right,
cars.
okay, in
but
the
anyway.
back.
That's even more concerning. You thought they were officers' cars?
Yeah, so
Oh,
I
right,
was
so
looking
now
at
you're
the
filming
officers
officers'
coming out.
cars.
Yeah.
Oh right, why? For
Oh,
what
because I
reason?
thought they were coming out from their duty. You had
Yeah,
the,
so
you had
you're out
your
filming
detective
officers'
constable.
cars. Right,
Yeah.
okay.
What
The
for,
officer car
William?
park.
William, what for?
Because I can. Because
No,
it's a
No,
public
you
place.
can't.
No, you can't.
No,
Because it's a
you
public
cannot.
place.
You cannot record
And what says
private
that?
property.
Yes, you
okay,
can.
that is private. That
And what
backyard.
says that? Is it just you
Is
and
this-
your little head
is
that
this a
says
little
that
quiz
you
that you're
can't
trying
do
to
that?
perform to
No,
us
no,
now?
I'm just asking
Right,
you.
William.
I'm
Do
just
not
asking
record
you.
officers' cars.
Okay,
That is extremely
is that-
dangerous to those officers.
is that an
because we
order?
don't know where you're going to.
Is that an order?
William, listen to me,
Is that
please.
an order?
William,
I'm
do not
asking you a question. Is that an order?
Listen to me, please.
I'm asking you a
Do
question,
not
is that an
record police
order?
officers'
I'm
cars,
asking you a
because
question,
if
is that an order?
appears on social
It won't be
media,
appearing
you
on
will
social
be
media.
located and spoken
Okay.
to and arrested.
This is where things take a sharper turn. The sergeant suggests that only criminals behave like this. A serious leap with no evidence. Suspicion replaces logic entirely. Then comes the warning. If the footage goes online, he could be tracked down. That moment changes everything. It no longer feels like policing. It feels personal. The tension here is at its peak.
Okay?
Arrested
Because you
for
are
what?
putting those officers in danger. Do you
Okay.
understand that?
No, I don't believe I am, but
Police
okay.
have a dangerous job
Yeah, they
without
do.
this nonsense.
They
You
do.
want
This
to film
isn't
them.
nonsense, but anyway.
Right, well, what concerns me more is why a young lad like yourself would want to spend his time walking around a police station and filming officers' cars.
You're saying that I can't film
You can't
private.
film the police station.
That I can't film
You can
private
film.
land from a public place. Can you tell me
Right.
where you've got that information from?
Right, no, I can't tell you
Okay.
that. I'm not prepared to tell you anything about that.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, it's not appropriate to record.
It doesn't matter
police
where it's
op-
appropriate
Well,
or
you're not
not.
even going to listen, are you?
No, I'm
You're not going to
gonna-
listen.
No.
You're just being rude.
I'm not being rude.
Do not film police officers' vehicles,
William?
private vehicles.
Yeah.
Are you going to leave?
Can you give me your epaulette number and state your name?
You can see it, William. You can see it, William.
300575. And your name?
You got my number there, mate.
Can I see your warrant card?
No.
Can I see your warrant card,
Are you going to
please?
leave, William?
Proof that you have authorisation to exercise your
William,
duty,
you're
your
not going
warrant
to see any
card.
warrant card. You don't need to.
Yeah, but you have to produce it upon request. That's
You-
that's
if
Cheshire
you're being
policy. That's
searched,
Cheshire Police
maybe.
policy.
William, you're
That's
not
Cheshire
seen any
Police
warrant cards,
policy.
okay?
Cheshire
End of
Police
story.
policy. Upon request, you will produce your warrant card. I know your policies very well.
Now the contradictions start stacking up. The sergeant admits she can't even explain where her claims come from, yet continues enforcing them. When asked for identification and policy, more resistance follows. Viewers can clearly see the credibility slipping. Authority is still being pushed, but the reasoning behind it is fading fast, exposing a deeper issue.
Telling you to leave, aren't
But are you asking me, or are you giving me a direct order?
telling you to leave.
Is that an
You
order?
can go on your own, right? You can walk away, or I'll go and get one of those directions to leave, and then you won't be able to come back for 24
Yeah.
hours. Yeah?
That's fine.
Okay.
So you're saying you're not going to leave?
No, definitely not.
Good. So you are going to go.
Sorry?
You are going to go.
No.
Pardon?
No.
How would you be able to
Are you giving?
contact
Are you giving me? Are you giving me dispersal
The
order?
officer's just explained to you what she's going to do. I'm not repeating it, William.
And what
We're
gives you
very,
the?
very busy today.
And what gives you the grounds to give me a dispersal
William,
order?
listen to me.
What gives me? What
we are
gives you
very,
the grounds
very
to give
busy
me a
today,
dispersal
and you
order?
are wasting police time.
I'm not wasting
Do you
police time.
understand?
You're wasting police time.
Right, do you understand there's an offence of wasting police time as well?
Yeah, but
You
I'm
do.
not committing
you know
that
your
offence.
legislation, you'd know that as well.
I'm
we are
not
very
committing
busy
an
today with
offence.
some serious,
I
serious incidents.
I didn't call
and
you
you
up.
are
You
wasting
came
time.
out.
No, William, you know what you've done.
I've
okay?
not committed any offences.
Right,
If I have, arrest me under Pace Code G paragraph 2.1.
Right, the officer's gone to get the order, okay?
Dispersal order,
You
and
will
what?
be asked.
And
You'll
what
find out
rights
when
do you
she comes
have to
back.
give me a dispersal order?
When she comes back, she will direct you.
The situation escalates again with talk of dispersal orders and wasting police time. But neither claim holds up. These are serious powers, yet they're being mentioned without meeting the legal threshold. This is where the audience sees the real danger. Not just confusion, but misuse of authority as pressure. The tension now comes from how far this could go.